So guys, we're gonna do a photo shoot, but we need some clothes, and the best place to get clothes is at the fashion district in downtown. There's a lot of discount places that sells things for $1, $2, $3. Let's go check it out. You wouldn't believe if I told you. I got 4 items for under $4. So let's see. Alright. Got a little belt. Got a pair of pants, some pleather pants. A top, white tee top, and some pleather shorts. Let's see how this is gonna turn out. If not, it's only $4. Oh well.
You can find me on Instagram at @rainbow. It's spelled weird, so just look at his profile.
So the whole point of this video is just to let you know that you don't have to spend a lot of money to get a outfit together. You could go through a thrift shop, you could go to an outlet location where you could pick up stuff, but you do not have to spend a lot of money to put together a photo shoot. Just understand who you're working with, what's their style, and where to get things. It's just a matter of looking around. What I used was the newer portable flash with the Goldilocks softbox on a stand, and then we used the Nissan 240SX as our props.